Making your body paragraphs clear and focused. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an essential component of essay writing: revising and editing your body paragraphs, with a special emphasis on checking for clarity and focus. Ensuring that your body paragraphs are clear and focused can make the difference between a reader understanding your arguments or getting lost in a sea of words. Let's dive in. In academic writing, every paragraph should have a clear and distinct purpose. It should present a single idea or argument that contributes to the overall message of your essay. When a paragraph lacks clarity or focus: 1. Your audience may struggle to understand your point. 2. Your argument may lose its impact or persuasive power. 3. The flow of your essay can become disjointed. To ensure your paragraph is clear: 1. Topic sentence review. Begin by looking at your topic sentence. It should clearly state the main idea of the paragraph. If it doesn't, consider revising it. 2. Consistency check. Ensure that every sentence in the paragraph relates to and supports the topic sentence. Remove or revise any unrelated sentences. 3. Transition signals. Use transition words or phrases, e.g., however, in addition, to guide the reader through your ideas, ensuring clarity in the progression of your arguments. To maintain focus: 1. Limit one idea per paragraph. This ensures that each paragraph is dedicated to fully explaining or supporting that single idea. 2. Avoid over-explaining. While details are good, excessive details can muddle your main point. Keep supporting details relevant and concise. 3. Beware of tangents. It's easy to stray off topic, especially when you're passionate about a subject. Continually ask yourself, is this directly related to my main point? 1. Take a break. After writing, step away from your work for a bit. Returning with fresh eyes can help spot areas that lack clarity or focus. 2. Read aloud. Sometimes, our ears can catch what our eyes miss. Reading your paragraphs out loud can highlight awkward or unclear phrasing. 3. Peer review. Have someone else read your work. They might offer a fresh perspective on areas that need more clarity or focus. Remember, the goal of your essay is to communicate your ideas effectively. By ensuring each body paragraph is both clear and focused, you take a significant step toward crafting a compelling and persuasive essay. Happy writing, and I hope you found this video insightful.